angle.
Donald Blindsides Liberal Ninth Circuit Court with ingenious maneuver. Since Trump entered office, he's been defied by rogue judges. These judges have overstepped their authority to block the president's constitutional authority. Radical, activist judges appointed by Obama have abused the little power they have. They have allowed their bias and corrupt politics to interfere with the authority of the White House. In recent cases, they have been knocked down by the Supreme Court. At least that court still respects the law of the land. Now it looks like more rogue judges will get their butts handed to them, care of the Trump administration. From Western journalism, the Department of Justice will appeal directly to the Supreme Court after a federal judge in California ordered the Trump administration to maintain the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals program, an Obama-era amnesty policy that extends legal status to 800,000 illegal aliens who arrived in the U.S. as children. The department will bypass the Ninth U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals, which has jurisdiction in the case, and appeal directly to the High Court, a rare procedural move. It defies both law and common sense for DACA, an entirely discretionary non-enforcement policy that was implemented unilaterally by the last administration after Congress rejected similar legislative proposals and courts invalidating the similar DACA policy, to somehow be mandated nationwide by a single district court in San Francisco, Attorney General Jeff Sessions said in a statement announcing the appeal. Liberals don't care about law and order. They only care about getting their way. Like spoiled children, they fight to get the upper hand. No matter what. If they can't bamboozle people into voting for their candidates, they will use the courts. Whatever means to control the will of the American people. For far too long they've mocked our laws and way of life. At least with this administration, they're not taking it lying down. Jeff Sessions is not going to let one court or judge jeopardize the safety of all Americans. These courts have zero right to uphold an Obama-era policy. It is Trump's right to overturn it if he sees fit. The move by this federal judge is a massive overstep of power. The Supreme Court will most likely agree. But don't expect this to be the end. Democrats will violate our laws to get their way. Be it through judges or outright scandal, they will force their agenda. It's high time we said enough. Enough.